That's right, let's talk about this homax wall texture in a can. It's for spraying orange peel texture. So whether if you're spraying an entire wall like I am, or just using it to patch a small spot in a damaged area on the wall, this product is for you. Really easy, already pre-mixed in the can. So all you have to do is shake it up, adjust the pressure, adjust the amount you want to come out of the nozzle, and then spray it onto the wall. It's that simple. Really recommend this product. I think you're gonna like it. Actually, I know you're gonna like it because it's a DIYer's dream. Real simple to do. Go grab some today. You're not gonna be disappointed. Now let's get this texture onto the wall. Spraying onto the wall, make sure you do it in a random pattern so that way there is no defined way that the spray is getting put onto the wall. So what I mean is you might go up and down and then you might go left and right. Have fun with it. There's no proper way to do it. Do it the way you want to do it. When spraying though, make sure you're about 1 foot to 18 inches away so that way it gets an even spread over the area that you're spraying this texture. Every now and then you want to still shake it up to make sure that the pressure is still in the can. Now that the first run is done, I'm going to go back and I'm going to spray a little bit heavier to go over the areas that I might have missed. Alright, that's it. Homax wall texture in the can is your go-to product when spraying orange peel texture onto the wall, whether if you're repairing a hole or spraying an entire wall. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you later.